Yo, hello guys, it's me, Yuki. Last week, I went to Coach stores at Greenbelt 5 and Rustans in Makati to look for a new bag. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to find the style that I want and the price is too expensive as well, since hindi sale or walang discounts. Buti na lang guys, as I browsed those that I saved in Zalora app, I was able to find one of the bags on sale and only one stock is remaining. So after thinking carefully if deserve ko ba talagang bumili ng new bag, after 5 minutes, chinek out ko na. Or maybe after 15 minutes yata since I still investigated the bag's origin. The package arrived after 2 weeks, which honestly kinda long. I even contacted their customer support since the package status in the app appears to be not moving. But they assured me that it will arrive on the expected date, which it did naman. I just didn't expect lang na ganun katagal since the bag is from Singapore, so I thought malapit lang. Upon opening the box, there will be an instruction sticker for you to record the full unboxing video as proof in case there will be any problems with the item. So be sure na i-record ninyo guys. Once you are recording, you may now tear this huge sticker for you to be able to open properly the plastic wrap. So ayan guys, there will be another layer of Coach plastic and dust bag. So here it is guys, I'll just do a quick unboxing and review. I will also share some information about the difference between the fake and the original bag. By the way guys, you may also visit my playlist for other review videos. I also have playlists for anime collectibles, shoes, bags, concert videos, and vlogs. So please subscribe to my little channel. There, as you can see, the bag is well packaged and protected from scratches.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, what I have here is the gray Sullivan flap crossbody bag with patches that I bought for 292 USD or around 17k PHP. I believe this is 2025 design, which is why it is now on sale since it is past season or last year pa ito ni-release. The main materials are signature coated canvas and refined pebble calf leather. Then as you can see, the stitching are very clean, maganda at sobrang pulido ng pagkakatahi nito guys. I like this bag since it has zipper aside from the flap cover, and inside there is additional slip pocket where the care card is placed. Okay, let me show you the leather Coach story patch. This shows the model number of the bag, which is CCG29. That should also match the number on the sticker from the plastic bag and the price tag. The same model bag number should also show when you search this on Google. Now for the first serial number, which is J2561, this is the combination of month, year, and manufacturing location codes. I'll just post the codes format in the video description. These also have exterior zip compartment that could fit a mobile phone. The circle patch have black side stitching, the Coach text and the year 1941 are embroidered, while the other text appear to be stamped. The star patch gray material is similar to carpet or towel, so para siyang tuwalya guys, while I'm not sure what material is used for the outer white and black, but these are the same material. Alright, so next, the New York patch is embossed with black side stitching. Alright guys, so please pay attention to the placement and the sizes of the patches as I will show you later the difference between the fake bags. So guys, here you can see that gray Coach tag is attached on the side. There's nothing fancy on the design, this is just a plain one. It is very detailed that you can also see the Coach logo on the chain, although I think some fake bags were able to copy this already. You may notice that the tag string is pink already since it is reattached together with the shop's notice card for possible return. Don't worry since removing the tag is just common. Even when I visited the Coach stores in Makati, the tags are placed inside the bag and not attached. The hardware is gunmetal-toned and you can also see the Coach logo here. I just find the placement of the hardware for additional designs like the keychain a bit odd. Since if you wear the bag on your left side, this is placed at the back. Dapat nasa right side mo ilalagay yung bag para nasa harap siya, which I'll show you later. The strap is adjustable with Coach logo as well. Another thing that I don't like here is that the strap is not replaceable, so you cannot customize this. Now pay attention to the magnets since these are attached or hold in place by the stitching around them. I'll show you later the comparison with the fake version. The side stitching is also very clean and the lining has no wrinkles. The zippers got YKK printed on them. This is the brand of the zipper Coach used, although based on the other post, not all Coach bags use YKK zippers. Now for the size or dimension, the length is 7.75 inches, the width is 3.5 inches, and the height is 6.75 inches. Alright guys, just to show you the test fit or wear for this bag. Well, gaya nga nasabi ko kanina guys, you need to wear this on your right side so that the accessory that you will add can be seen in front. So ayan, all parts are smooth since this is brand new. There are some items nga pala guys sa Zalora that are marked as used or second hand, so be sure to read carefully the description before you buy. Now to show you the comparison between the original and fake versions, this first set of photos are from the official Coach website. I'm not going to focus on color comparison since our screens may have different settings that could affect how we see things. So sa actual build quality ako magpo-focus guys. You may pause this video to compare. The fake one is above and the original is below. Just to note as well that I am not an expert on this guys and I will only give some information on the things that I noticed for this bag model. Feel free to comment below for any correction and for other useful information that could help those who are watching this video. Okay guys, let's review the first set of pictures. For the fake one, the signature canvas pattern alignments are not the same with the original. The New York pattern is too small and has white stitching. The star patch has round edges, and the white part material is not the same with the original. The Coach and year are not embroidered, while there is a white stitching on the side of the circle patch instead of black. So here another version of the fake Coach bag, but this one is a little bit different since the Coach with 1941 circle patch is almost the same with the original, except that again, the other things that you can spot check here are still the same from the first one. The signature canvas pattern alignments again are not the same with the original. Example, the one with the box. The New York patch is too small again. The star patch has round edges. The white part material is not the same with the original. And the encircled parts have wrinkles. Now let's check naman guys yung doon sa flap cover. For the fake one, there are two parts of material used to hold the magnets, unlike the original that only uses stitching to lock the magnets in place. Now for the story patch, the fake one doesn't have the same edge stitching with the original. As you can see here, the edge stitching of the original is thick because of the multiple thread used, and this go beyond the patch. Although I think some fake bags were already able to copy this detail as well. Overall guys, I really love this bag. It is not too big or too small, and it can fit my going out essentials. I also love the design and the color that could fit to both dark and bright outfit, plus the bag doesn't look like for oldies. This is definitely a stylish go-everywhere companion that blends personality with practicality. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and check my playlist for more review videos. Maraming salamat ulit guys!